lasers. Lasers in various specialties. So this is the topic. And to start off with questions, where is bladder cancer seen? So what is the laser used in this bladder cancer? That will be the first. And second one is in case of LASIK. It's very common. LASIK is a procedure. So where is it? What laser is used in LASIK? Next one is in case of middle ear surgery. Middle ear surgery, what is the laser used? So we'll find out answers to this question and also learn a lot more. So to start off with the NDAG. So NDAG, where it is used? So this one is used in case of the ophthal. So in ophthal, it can be used for the posterior capsulotomy. Next, it can also be used in case of the iridotomy as well as the vitreolysis. And NDAG can be used in the urology as well. So where in case of the blood, that is not blood, it is in case of the bladder cancer. Next what we see is the GIT. See, GIT is used in case of the fragmentation of the gallstones. Then we look at the holmium YAG. So this is used in case of urology. That is in cases of the lithotripsy as well as the BPH and the urethral stricture. Next what we look at is in case of ENT. In case of ENT, we use the CO2, carbon dioxide, and it is used in case of the stapedectomy and the tympanomastoid surgery. Next, we move on to the excimer laser. So excimer is nothing but the argon fluoride. So it is used in case of the ophthal, that is LASIK. Next we see the argon green. Argon green is used in case of the ophthal, that is in case of the retinal photocoagulation, and in case of ENT, it is used in case of the middle ear surgery. Next we look at the pulsed dye laser known as PDL. So pulsed dye laser is used in case of the dermatology, and this is for the port wine stain and the strawberry birthmarks. So now we'll be answering the questions which we asked in the start. So the first question was, what is used in case of the bladder cancer? So bladder cancer, what is the laser used? So in bladder cancer, what was used was NDAG. Next, what we saw was, we asked is in case of LASIK surgery, that is in ophthal, which one was used? So the excimer is used, that is nothing but the argon fluoride. Next, in case of the middle ear surgery. In middle ear surgery, what is used? It is the argon green which is used.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hub.
Now let me tell you our story. Running with us, we are sure you will reach your destination with ease.